English Workshop The Necklace Part 2. Margin questions. Question number 1. What was the arrangement with the jeweler? Do you think it was fair? Answer. Matilda and her husband begged the jeweler not to sell the necklace for 3 days. The jeweler agreed that he would take it back for 34,000 francs if the other necklace was found before the end of February. Actually, it was fair. Second question. Who was Madame Loisel? Answer. Matilda is Madame Loisel. Third question. Why does Madame Forestier spoke coldly to Matilda? Answer. Madame Forestier spoke coldly because she was getting her necklace back after so many days and she might have needed it. She should return it immediately. Fourth question. What is meant by the horrible life of the very poor? Answer. The poor cannot afford luxuries of life like the rich and had to face many difficulties due to very little money or no money at all. Even the Loisel had to face many hardships because of poverty. They dismissed their maid and changed their lodgings. Matilda had to do all housework by herself while her husband had to work extra so that they can pay some loans. Fifth question. Who do you think was responsible for Matilda's misery? Was it her friend, she herself, her husband, or the circumstances? Answer. I think Matilda was mainly responsible for her misery. She should have been satisfied with what she had and not borrowed the necklace from her friend. The loss of the necklace led to her misery. Of course, the circumstances were also responsible for it. English Workshop. First question. Spot and circle the error in the following sentences, then rewrite the sentences after correcting them. A. But they could not found it. Answer. But they could not find it. B. You must write to your friend. Answer. You must write to your friend. C. At the end of 1 week, they have lose all hope. Answer. At the end of 1 week, they have lost all hope. D. He would borrow the rest. Answer. Answer. He would borrow the rest. E. You should have returned it sooner. Answer. You should have returned it sooner. F. And this life lasted for 10 years. Answer. And this life lasted for 10 years. G. No, I am Matilda Loisel. Answer. No, I am Matilda Loisel. H. Madame Forestier was stunned. Answer. Madame Forestier was stunned. Question 2. Complete the following table. First, I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Matilda said to her husband, when her husband asked if she had it when they left the hall. Second, it will give us time to look some more, Mr. Loisel said to his wife, when they were sure that they had lost the necklace and decided to buy a new one. Third, I might have needed it, Madame Forestier said to Matilda, when Matilda returned the new necklace to her. Fourth, you must have made a mistake, Madame Forestier said to Matilda, when Matilda met her after 10 years. Fifth, well, I lost it, Matilda said to Madame Forestier, when Madame Loisel reminded her of the diamond necklace. Sixth, mine was an imitation, Madame Forestier said to Matilda, when Matilda told her that she had met her after 10 years. Third question, write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Matilda. A. Matilda was shocked, despair over the loss of her necklace. Answer. Matilda was shocked, despair over loss because she knew that the necklace was of diamond and she couldn't afford to buy new to return Madame Forestier. B. Matilda wrote a note to her friend as dictated by her husband. Answer. She needed more time to gather money to buy new one. C. Matilda and her husband decided to replace the necklace. Answer. Because they thought that the necklace was costly and they had to return it. D. Matilda returned the diamond necklace to her friend. Answer. She wanted to show that she was honest and it was her duty to return what she borrowed. E. Matilda did not tell her friend about the loss and replacement. Answer. Because she didn't want to show her friend that she was a careless and dishonest woman. F. Matilda worked very hard to pay the debt. Answer. Because she wasn't a rich woman and the debt was high, she had to cut her expenses to gather money. G. Matilda and her husband paid off the debt in 10 years. Answer. Because the debt was high and they saved the money to pay debt. H. Matilda told her friend about the lost necklace. Answer. She was an honest lady and it was her duty to tell the truth to her friend. Fourth question. Form pairs. Discuss how part second of the story could have been different. Write your storyline in the form of bullets showing the main events. Answer. Matilda and her husband could have told Madame Forestier. Second, they could have bought imitation of necklace and return it. Fifth, imagine what must have happened after Matilda's friend discovered that the diamonds were real. Do you think she would return it to Matilda? Would that make Matilda happy? Answer. I think Matilda's friend must have returned the diamond necklace to Matilda. And Matilda would be happy to find some relief after some sufferings. Sixth question. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. A. What would you do if something like this happens to you? Answer. If something like this happened to me, I would tell my friend and would buy a new one and give her. B. What opinion do you form about Matilda's husband from her story? Answer. Matilda's husband was a true person. He was considerate. He was an honest man. He was a practical man. C. Which events in the story, part 1 and part 2, changed Matilda's life? Answer. The invitation of the party and their decision to attend the party changed Matilda's life.